Hey guys, how's it going? This is Eric Abbott here from Emporia Systems, and me and Randy Howard just got done launching a program called eBrand Profile, and I just wanted to basically, instead of telling you, I would like to show you, make a quick video to show you how easy it is to pretty much promote any program that you want using the eBrand Profile system, and how easy it is to customize it and brand yourself at the same time, as well as build your list. So we're going to go here to Profile Maker, and if you're an upgraded member here, you can create an unlimited amount of profiles. As you can see here, I got quite a few, so I'm going to make another one. One of the cool features that we have here is we make it easy to add your autoresponder form. If you're big in autoresponders, you can actually add your form. So one of the easiest autoresponders that I've seen for eBrandProfile is a program called Rocket Responder by TimTech, and I'm going to make a profile specifically to Rocket Responder, and I'm going to promote that using the eBrand system. So let's type in Rocket Responder here in new page. After you hit Profile Maker, you hit create new page, and it's going to take you through. It's going to say new page successfully created, and we're going to go to template options, and I'm going to go over and click the orange video template here. I'm going to hit update template. Now I'm going to go to image settings. As you can see, I already have a picture that I've already uploaded, but if you want to upload a picture to yourself, you just hit upload picture. You click here and you scroll down and find your picture on your computer and you upload it. But here I already have it, so I'm going to select my picture and hit update profile picture, and it'll say profile successfully created. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to information settings. Now here is where you can customize your profile. The first thing you want to do is you want to put in a title and the meta tags. So I want to put in Rocket Responder, and you can create a description and some keywords as well, to where some of the search engines can pick you up better. It's very good for SEO. Right now I'm just going to do this for time's sake because I don't have a lot of time in this video. I'm going to put in my name, Eric Abbott, and for the name of my color I'm going to choose white, and I will show you why I'm going to do that here in a little bit. Now, you can see that we have background presets, backgrounds that we already have in the system that you can use. We have a pretty wide selection right now. However, we will be adding a lot more here in the near future as we just launched. But the theme, I want to go with the theme that Rocket Responder has for my page. So as you can see here, the theme of Rocket Responder is basically, if you go to their home page, let's go to rocketresponder.com. You can see it's clouds here. So let me show you a cool thing. I hope TimTech doesn't mind me doing this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to view the cloud image, and I'm going to copy and paste the link to that. I'm going to go to my eBrand profile, and I'm going to paste it into my background image here in background settings. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my affiliate tools and I'm going to copy and paste. Let's see. Let's see if we can find some kind of content here to place in. The money is in the list. Here's something you may know. Build your email list does not require a PhD in rocket science. Okay. I'll just put in this. The guys at TimTech have simplified autoresponder and created something that you will understand the moment you sign up. So I'll take a piece of this email letter that I have out for time's sake. I want to copy and paste it in the main contents areas. Hit Control V, and I want to put a break, and then I'm going to put a bold. So you can use a little bit of HTML in this as well. I'm going to put this in. So now, as you can see here, is the capture page code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my manage list, and I'm going to create a new list name. I'm going to put in Rocket Responder. just going to quickly put in my details. Okay, now that I have all that set up, I'm going to go to Forms, and I'm going to design a new form here, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I'll put it probably at about, let's see, I'll probably put it at about 220 length. That looks about the right size. Then I'm going to make the borders, going to make them bluish, like clouds. So that looks nice there. Okay. Now I'm going to make the fonts, I want to make them blue as well. Maybe a little darker blue. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to make the subscribe button look blue as well, so that looks pretty decent. Going to make the font a little different. Display full length, that looks good. So I'll just hit get code here, and here it will display my HTML code, and I just copy that and I go back to my eBrand profile and I copy and paste it into the capture code form. And now my YouTube video, I actually made a YouTube video promoting Rocket Responder. Now in the YouTube video, you don't want to enter in the entire URL as it shows here an example of you just want the video ID, and here in the example it shows where you can find the video ID. It's in the red and it's at the end of the YouTube link. So for example, here's my video that I promoted. Hey guys, how's it? I'm promoting for Rocket Responder, so this will be my video ID here as shown in the example. I just copy and paste it, and here I can add some images. So I want to add a 468 by 60. Come back here to affiliate tools at Rocket Responder, and I'll find me a image of that size, which I believe it's going to be right here. Yes sir. And I can just copy that. You don't need the whole HTML code, you just need the image location, image URL, and the target, which will be my affiliate link to Rocket Responder. And you can also add 125 by 125 banners. I'm not so sure if they have those. Ah, yes, they do. Here we go. So I can copy that, go back, and I'll copy in my URL. And that's it. You can make some minor tweaks to it, but for the most part it's going to be pretty much set. So let's see what it looks like right now. Look at there, it's pretty nice. So maybe I'll change my since you can't really see my name here because I thought I was going to use a dark background, but I didn't. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to change my name to, I'll make it a dark blue. That might go good with it. Some kind of dark bluish color. Now let's go to my new page and I will refresh. Yeah, that's much better. So as you can see, I can still add some more text here if I wanted to. I can add banners to my other programs. As you can see, it just goes really good. People can click my video, watch it. Hey guys, how's it going? This is Eric Abbott here, and basically as you can see here, I just got done me and Randy Howard. And another thing you can do, I'm just going to kind of experiment with this, but since the main contents area, which is right here, does take HTML, you can do a little bit of experiment with it. You can't go too overboard, but if you want to add like an image or something right here and you're familiar with HTML, you just go, here's the HTML code you can try to place in. It's really okay to experiment with this system. there are, you can, if you experiment too much, you're probably going to run into some issues here and there. But when you do, they're easily fixed. The system is very stable. It allows you to, uh, tweak it out and mess around with it, especially if you're familiar with a little bit of coding in HTML. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this. This is the little image. It says powerful delivery image in my Rocket Responder. Copy and paste the code in. Gave it a little center code here in the main contents area, and let's see what that does. I'm just going to update my settings on view page, and it looks pretty good. The only thing I would like it to see is just going to give it one more break. Let's see, break, break, and that's just making it go down a space. Update settings. Let's see how it looks now. If I refresh, oh yeah, it's perfect. Now you see there, it looks really good. And the last thing you can do is you can go over here and you can click on social media settings. And as you can see, if you for your first time setting it up, you want to click on your social media settings, manage social media settings, and you can put in your AppSense. If you're a blogger, you can put in your blog. If you have your email, you can put in your email. I'll go ahead and place in my email here. If you have your Facebook, uh, Twitter, your website, your YouTube channel, just whatever you want. It has a LinkedIn, Pinterest, you name it, we can bring it in. Your Skype ID, you just hit update whenever you're finished setting all that up. You go to main page now. We'll go to Rocket Responder, we'll hit social media settings, and we will click all the icons that we wish to add to our profile at the moment. I'm going to add my website, my email, my Skype, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Google+. And I'll hit update. Now if we click on view page, that it just basically added my social icons to it. It's that easy. So yeah, there you go. If I want to also, I can go and go to information settings. I can add more images. For example, I can add one for T2P, Explosive Miller. I've already added it, so it just pops up for me, but these are all 125 by 125 images. So you can add more images there. Let's see, refresh, and as you can see, it added my other images. So there you go. It's a really awesome system. Highly recommend using Rocket Responder for it, if you wish to add autoresponder to it. And there we go. That's pretty much the eBrand profile system. We have many more features inside of it, but that's one of them. If you're interested, just go to ebrandprofile.com, and it's 100% free to join and use and try out the profiles, and hope to see you there.